Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and this week's stitch of the week is this lovely twin V-stitch. It is a nice denser stitch, but it does have some airy holes in it, but it still makes it perfect for lighter blankets, lighter scarves, runners. It is still a very lovely stitch, and it is very easy to make. So let me go ahead and show you how. I am using a 4.5 millimeter hook, and I'm just using some leftover pink yarn. So we're going to start with a slip knot. And this particular stitch pattern uses a multiple of 4 stitches. So I am going to crochet a chain of 16 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so now we're going to count 5 chains from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we are going to double crochet in that 5th chain, and then we're going to double crochet again in that same chain. In the next chain, double crochet, and another double crochet in that same chain. Now we are going to skip 2 chains, and we are going to double crochet in that next chain, and then double crochet in that same chain. In this next chain, double crochet, and then another double crochet in that same chain. Skip 2 chains, double crochet in this next chain, and double crochet in the same chain. In the next chain, again double crochet, and another double crochet in that same chain. Now you have 2 chains left. You're going to skip 1 and double crochet in that last chain. And that is our first row of twin V-stitches. Now we're going to chain 3. Going to turn our work, and then you're going to skip this first stitch, skip the second stitch, and 2 double crochet into the 3rd one. So that's 1 and 2. In this next stitch, another 2 double crochets. Then you're going to skip 2 stitches and 2 double crochet into the next. And then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Skip 2 chains, 2 double crochet in the next chain, and 2 double crochet in the next chain. Now we have 1 stitch left, and then we have our chain 3. So we're going to skip the stitch, going to kind of turn over that chain a little bit, and double crochet right in that chain. Chain 3, and turn your work. Again, we're going to skip the first 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch, 2 double crochets. And then in the next stitch, 2 double crochets. Skip 2 stitches and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. double crochet twice in the next stitch, skip 2 chains, double crochet twice in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches, double crochet twice in the next stitch. I don't know why I said chains. Then we are going to crochet 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Skip this last stitch and double crochet in the top of that chain 3. Chain 3, turn your work, and repeat. That is all there is to this twin V-stitch. It is so simple. Comment below, tell me if you have ever crocheted this stitch pattern before, what you used it in, and until next time, bye!